Hi guys, many of us are attractive towards 3D design and animation. You can see a 3D design here. It's basically a clone and which I made the Blender design. You can also make such designs for yourself. It's give people face. I have placed here a lonely house and some trees and also set a moon. All in all, it made for a great night. That looks great. So in this tutorial I will show you how to make such a design. For this I will open the Blender software and take a cube because with this we will build the house. So go to edit mode by pressing tab button and press S to select the top face and make it a little bigger. Here we will create the roof. So press E to extrude it and press S to shorten. Now press S and Y scale to along the Y axis to create a roof. We can see the ceiling of the room, and to make it a little more beautiful I will select all the faces of the ceiling and make it a little bigger. Now down some and select the middle part and extrude it. Scale it some. Now I will make a small room in the front. I am just copying and setting it perfectly. And now we are going to create windows on either side. So select the face on either side and now press I and create another face inside. Select the inner face and create a loop cut by pressing Ctrl plus R. Now select each face inside and press I to create more faces. Select the 4 faces and press E to extrude them inwards. We see a window. Similarly, create another window on the other side. Press I to create more face. And now select all to extrude inside. Perfect. Now I will make a door in this face. So press I to create a new face. Press G and Z to move down. And press E to extrude some. Press I again to create another face and extrude some inside. In the same way I am taking another door in this face. Now I want to make a window top of this door to look beautiful. Select the face and create a window in the previous way. Now I will place a tower on this ceiling, which can basically be thought of as a kitchen. So I took a cube and set it right here. Make a ceiling as before. Now I will create some particle on the ceiling to make it look like there is snow on it. So select all the ceilings and press Ctrl plus P to separate them from the room. In the same way I will separate the ceiling of the small room. Now go to particle option and make small particle. Of course we will create the hair particle. Scale the hair from here and in render mode we will see them like this. Similarly, apply this effect to the large ceiling. Okay, enough. And in this time, we will take a cube to make a ground with it. Press S and create a ground like that. Now the upper face should be uneven, as if to understand that there is no hair. So go to edit mode and press Ctrl plus R on the top face to create some divisions. Turn on keyframe mode and turn on this curve option. Now press G to create an uneven land. Right click and click to smooth it. The ground looks uneven. In the same way, make each ceiling uneven to make it look like there is snow. Perfect. Snow effect is showing on the ceiling. Now we can add some trees to make the environment seem cool. We will add an add-on for this, so go to edit and preference, click on add-ons and search here tree. Tick mark on these add-ons and close it. Now we will get this add-on as a mesh. Unsend the houses mesh and go to add. Click on curve to get sapling tree. We see a tree branch ready. Here you will find different types of tree designs. Basically it adds made our work much faster. I will get leaves here and you can try with any types of leaf. I just took this type of leaf. Select this tree and move it some. Now see in all house and take some copies of the tree. And I am making some more design trees. Now I will take a plum tree. This tree looks pretty good. I will take some copies of this tree. And this time I will take another tree with a different design. Just wait. And copy it. Okay, that's enough. Now we need to moon because we are going to create a moon night. We can take the UV shape to make the moon. And I set it at the back of the room. I want to moonlight from behind. And now if you go to rendering mode, we will see a default light. Just take it to the moon. If there is no light, go to the add option and take a light. Now press R and turn it towards the house. Now we are used to a world or HDRI for nice view. So click on this world icon and select such an image as environment color. I was download it. Now we see a night sky. I'm taking another big round with plain mesh. Place it in the middle and now our task is to set the lighting. We'll create a moon glowing effect at the beginning. So select the moon and enter the shading mode. That's all. Here we will add the texture of the moon and keep the color mode emission. In this we will see the glowing effect of the moon. And now we will light the windows. So select all window and take emission color mode. And we can change the color of the lights from here. I'm keeping yellow color. And lighting this door with semi. Okay guys, now everything is right and now we can enjoy its beauty. So be sure to subscribe my channel for more video and stay with me.